So in this case, electric flux through the cube of side 10 centimeter we have to calculate. For the solving of this numerical, I have used meters instead of centimeters. Take care of it. So here it is mentioned 10 centimeter, but I have used all the calculation using 10 meter. Okay. So firstly, electric field is here given, that is not a constant, rather it is partial variation shown depend upon x square, and it is along I cap, you can see. So after that, this is a basic diagram. So the cube is placed along the x-axis at distance 10 centimeter, which I have taken 10 meter other. So I have labeled the diagram first, you can see. So this is basically the diagram I have drawn in front of you, and there are certain parameters we need to use. What these parameters are, so this is, you can see. So this is basically cube. This arrow show the direction of phase EFGH. This arrow show direction of phase ABCD, and this arrow show direction of phase DCHG. So there are 6 phases and 6 directions. In this case, you can see electric field is along x-axis, so that this area vector will make angle 90 degree. So flux for electric field and area vector at right angle is always 0. So there are overall 6 phases, out of which 4 phases have 0 flux, top, down, front and backward. But I left only with 2 non-zero fluxes. So 2 non-zero fluxes are this one and this one. So this direction is simply I cap of area vector, and this direction is of minus I cap, you take care of it. So after that, moving further, what I'll get, so the calculation is now this sort. So you can see calculation I have done in front of you. This is very basic and primitive calculation. So ds vector for ABCD is minus ds I cap, and at this location the value of x, at this location the value of x is this x is 10, so I put only 10. So by doing so, all the calculation you have to do. And similarly, I have mentioned all the 4 surfaces for which angle is 90 and their all flux is 0. And at the end, I left with the flux through EFGH surface. For the EFGH surface, I have put here x to be 20 because it has a distance 20 from origin. So finally, solving this, I get the flux, and the total flux I'll get here. So total flux is obtained by adding the individual fluxes. So only 2 surfaces flux is with me, but remaining 4 fluxes are 0. Solving this, I'll get the answer in the SI units. I'm repeating, I have done all the calculation using 10 meter rather than 10 centimeter. You have to correct your calculations. Thank you.